we're just gonna do some basic organization skills. Okay, let's get into this. Hey there, today I'll be doing a little decluttering and desk organization, and afterwards a nice desk tour. Be sure to like and subscribe, and also check out my Instagram and TikTok account if you're interested. I first started organizing my stationery drawer, as you saw, and then I just moved on to my notebooks, papers, and random things on my desk. As the school year ended, I just collected a bunch of just random things on my desk, and I really didn't have time to organize it, but since school is over for me, I can just get rid of a lot of things and organize. Here, I next did this random and miscellaneous items. I don't know it's just like random things. Anyway, here is my sticky note and sticker collection. They're a bit all over the place. I really need to buy some organizers for this. However, most stores in my city are closed. Therefore, I don't really have any opportunity to go and buy some. However, I am looking forward when stores do reopen to finally organizing it. And then behind my desk is like my little table drawer filled with like papers and random things. It's usually just my papers from grade 9 to 12 that I like to keep. Anyway, I just got rid of all my papers from this school year in my binders. Half of it I really didn't need, so I just took it out and stored it inside my drawer. However, I really don't need half of these, as a lot of these are very useless. And then as you can see, I just decided to throw everything out. I really didn't need half of this stuff. Like, do I need my grade 10 history notes? Probably not, because I hate history. Anyway, I wanted to decorate my desk a little more. As you can probably see, I have posters, so I just decided to print out some more. Anyway, my printer is like, I feel really bad because I had to print out all this ink, and then I just cut it out. I used sticky tack, and then here is the final result. It looks pretty clean and nice because I did spend the time to organize it. Here are my stationery, my zebra Sarasa, my zebra mild liners, my Muji gel pens, my fine liners and zebra mild liner brush pens. These are the zebra Sarasa, Unipropus, and Uniballs. Pilot and my brush pens, metallic pens, generalized, and then Ecoline watercolor brush pens. Here are my Crayola super tips and my Tombow dual tips. I do plan on doing like a swatch of my entire collection. That's why I didn't really do like it in this video. However, I am planning on doing it in the future, and it's just a 3 and 5K stacked atop. Here is my miscellaneous section, my IDK nook. I just put random things. And then here are my studio earbuds. I really like them. And then just here is my stationery, my sticker and sticky note collection. Just random things, not really anything specific. Like I said, I do need to get something to organize this. However, here are the posters I showed you, and then some cue cards and my magnet I made, and then my calendars, my bullet journal holder and book holder. This part I really like. And then my hole puncher collection. Yes, I have 3 different hole punchers. Okay, I have a bit too many. And then my tape collection, my washi tape, and my stapler. And then here are like my books. Everything was about to fall over too. My composition homework book, basically, where I do all my homework for classes. And then my white lines notebook, as you probably know if you've watched my channel. I love these notebooks so much. And then here is my I don't know stationery bin. I really don't know. This is also my essentials bin. And then here are my drawers. Here is just all the paper and loose leaf I have, a notebook, random, and then all my empty pens because I feel bad throwing them out. Here are some private drawers that have weird things in it. Yeah, just money basically. That empty drawer, and then behind my desk, my binders, and my graduation teddy bear from my school. They're so nice, they gave it to me, and my printer. And then that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope to see you again next week. Bye bye!